Hello students, today we will be discussing about mole concept. First of all, we will see what is a mole concept and what information does it give. Now you should know that 1 mole is equal to molar mass, which in turn is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 entities, which in turn is equal to 22.4 liters for gaseous thing. So we will see that mole, which is the unit of quantity, we can equate it in terms of mass, that is in grams. We can equate in terms of number. We can equate it in terms of volume. So we will have numericals which will be based on the interconversion of moles into grams or the number of particles or the volume occupied. So we will be dealing numericals based on this type of relationship. Now first of all, suppose the question is asked, how many molecules are present in 20 grams of question 1. I am asking you, how many molecules are present in 20 grams of A. hydrogen, B. NaOH, C. neon. Now, when we are dealing with this, first job is they are asking us 20 grams of hydrogen. So, first of all, we will convert these 20 grams into the moles of hydrogen, NaOH or neon. Now, so number of moles of hydrogen is equal to weight in grams upon molar mass of hydrogen, which is equal to 2. So, it becomes 10 moles. Now, number of moles of NaOH is equal to 20 upon 40, because 40 is the molar mass of NaOH. For Na it is 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. When you add it up, it comes 40. So, number of moles is 0.5. Now, number of moles of neon, it is 20, that is 20 upon 20, so it is 1 mole. Now, once we know the number of moles, our job is easy. We can easily convert it into the particles. They have asked how many molecules are present. Now, we know that according to mole concept, we know that 1 mole is equivalent to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Now, here for number of particles of hydrogen will be 10 multiplied by this. So, number of molecules of hydrogen is equal to 10 number of moles multiplied by 6.02 into 10 raised to 23, that is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 24. Molecules of NaOH will be equal to 0.5 multiplied by 6.02 into 10 raised to 23, which is equal to 3.01 into 10 raised to 23. Now, next, molecules of neon, it is equal to 1 into 6.02 into 10 raised to 23, which is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. In this way, we are able to calculate the number of molecules in 20 grams. So, now next type of numericals will involve the relationship between the volume and the mole. So, now next question we can take, the next question is, what is the mass of 11.2 liters and molecules, that is number of molecules of A. hydrogen, B. ozone, C. nitrogen. Now question asks is, that is, we have got 11.2 liters of hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen respectively, and they are asking us what will be their mass and the number of molecules present in each of them. So first of all, we will find out what is the number of moles. Whenever we are dealing with the question, our job is to find out the number of moles. Now they have given us 11.2 liters. Now we know that 11.2 liters at STP is half the number of moles, because we know that 1 mole is equal to, of 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 liters. Therefore, X moles is equal to 11.2 liters. That is, X is equal to 0.5 moles. So, once we know the moles, we can calculate the mass also and number of particles also. The number of moles are 5. So, mass of hydrogen will be equal to the number of moles multiplied by mass. This will give you mass. That is, we will be getting number of moles as 0.5 and mass is 2. That is 1.0 grams. Same way, mass of ozone will be equal to, the number of moles is 0.5 multiplied by 48, which is equal to 2.4 grams. Same way, the mass of nitrogen is equal to 0.5 into 28, which is equal to 1.4 grams. So, in this way, mass we have calculated. Now, next is number of molecules. Now, number of molecules will be very easy, because we have got 0.5 moles. So, number of molecules in all the 3 cases, because the moles are 0.5 moles for all of them. Therefore, number of molecules is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 6.02 into 10 raised to 23, which is equal to 3.01 into 10 raised to 23.